A day in my life as a Philippine princess in Singapore, now in Philippines, Bukit Pamana. Look at that. There is an iguana over here. Let's see. And this is the iguana. It's kind of peaceful here. Yeah. It's like a camping site. And so we are here in the bukid. Can you tell me what is this kind of fruit? Is this a fruit? I don't know. I'm so short, so it's taller than me. So nice over here. You're like in the jungle. And we have chicken visitor over here. Look at that. It's a white chicken. Roasted chicken, I think. Yeah. Hello there. And they have a pool over here. Look at that. This is where is our cabin. Yeah, look. It only opens at 2 p.m. So, yes. This is a cabin. Later, I'm going to show you. There's 2 beds, I think. And then we're going to the tent. Yeah. So, it's a little bit maze over here. And this is our tent for today. Apart from the cabin. Look at that. Hello, Maki. And there's a lot of activities to do here. Yeah, you can. And this is where you can also play. Like, oh my god, so scary. Uy, this is fun. I'm scared. Look at this mini fridge over here. Wow. You can put your meats over here. And there is a charger. This is Alpicool. It's really, really beautiful over here. Look at that. Mommy, what do you call these trees? Mango trees? Mahogany. And now we're cooking our food for our lunch. Yeah, this is the griller. What do you call this griller though? Cabril. Yeah. Alright, so let's rest for a while waiting for the food. See you later, guys.